Hello, hello, lovely Love Advice TV community. Coach Adrian here. Excited because we are hosting yet another webinar with my main man, Alex Como. We're going to be doing a webinar this Sunday at 2 p.m. This is Sunday, May 16th at 2 p.m., 11 a.m. Pacific. And we will be again sharing our latest research findings on how to maximize your chances to rebuild a relationship with your significant other. As always, there's going to be a PowerPoint presentation where we share some of our latest research findings, as I just mentioned, and a space for question and answers, where we will take the time to get to know you a little bit and to understand what you're going through and to provide you with answers. So we're fired up. We hope that you're fired up too. If you have not registered yet, please click on the link in the description below to secure your space so that you can be part of this group and share a couple of hours together this weekend. Super excited. As always, keep fighting the good fight and see you then.